Paint sprayers require more of a learning curve than a paint roller and tray, but their speed and efficiency are well worth the extra practice time. With a specialized nozzle that transforms liquid paint into a fine spray, these tools cover swathes of surface area in seconds. Their motorized pumps provide an even, consistent output as you maneuver around your project, making them especially effective on multifaceted items, like cabinetry, fencing, and custom furniture, as well as broad areas like trim and ceilings. I have a lot of experience using these tools for residential jobs as well as bespoke furniture, so I'm familiar with the best brands, styles, and techniques. I cover all of that here, plus recommendations for the best paint sprayer for your project, be it a slapdash DIY or a full-on home reno. Number 1. Graco Magnum X5 Stand Airless Paint Sprayer. This airless Graco model combines quality performance with ease of use, making it a great choice for entry-level users as well as seasoned pros. At 13 pounds and 14.5 inches wide, this compact sprayer is easy to both store and transport. The wide frame provides a nice sturdy base while you use it, and the 75-foot spray hose maximizes your mobility on the job. This sprayer has a maximum flow rate of 0.27 GPM and cleanup is convenient too, with a special attachment that connects directly to a standard garden hose. With 10 spray tips included, this machine is compatible with a wide range of spraying materials. Number 2. Graco True Coat 360DS Handheld Paint Sprayer. This Graco model combines the mobility of a handheld tool with the unlimited running time of a corded unit. As long as you have an extension cord long enough, you can bring this sprayer wherever you need it, whether that's up a ladder to access ceiling rafters or outdoors to spray fencing. Thanks to an airtight connection system, it's also designed to spray upside down. The integrated storage area in the handle is a nice perk, with space to store 2 tips on hand while you work. The True Coat 360 dual-speed handheld airless sprayer is part of Graco's DIY series of sprayers. Designed for the DIYer taking on smaller projects up to 2 gallons in size. Ideal for projects like doors, trim, interior walls, outdoor furniture, garage doors or fences. Get greater control with 2 speed settings, low for more detailed work and high for larger jobs to finish faster. With exclusive features like the vacuum valve, you have the ability to spray in any direction, even upside down. The patented flex liner system allows for the easiest setup, just squeeze to prime and start to spray. Number 3. Graco 17C310 390PC Electric Airless Sprayer. Looking for a commercial style machine that's still simple to use? This Graco sprayer is durable enough to tackle large projects quickly, easily, and, most importantly, with precision. Its 34-pound weight is light for a commercial machine, and its steel construction is much more durable than those made with primarily plastic components. A swiveling suction hose conveniently reaches your paint bucket regardless of position, and the versatile system is compatible with heavy latex and acrylics, as well as stains. Plus, with a max flow rate of 0.47 GPM, the highest of any model on our list, the job is done before you know it. This is significantly more expensive than most other sprayers, but the time saved and professional quality results are worth the high price tag. If you plan on tackling more than a few large projects, or interested in starting your own painting business on the side, this model is a fantastic option. Number 4. Wagner Spraytech Control Spray Painter. If you're looking for a handheld paint sprayer but don't have the budget for the higher-end options, this Wagner model should provide the productivity you need at a fraction of the price. Its corded power supply means it weighs much less than similar battery-powered models, just 4.5 pounds, reducing hand and shoulder fatigue during operation. I've used this exact model for spraying the exposed rafters on a home remodel, and it really came in handy for ensuring every nook, cranny, and wood face was covered quickly and evenly. That being said, the low flow rate isn't practical for large jobs that require more speed and efficiency, so this model is best for smaller tasks like fencing, outdoor furniture, or trim work. Number 5. Graco Ultra Cordless Airless Handheld Paint Sprayer. This cordless option accepts DeWalt Lithium XR batteries, making it a convenient choice if you already own DeWalt power tools. It includes 2 of these batteries, and each can process a gallon of paint per charge. Its handheld design is much more mobile than bulkier corded models, and without a hose to wrangle, it's easy to carry from room to room. It also includes 2 tips, a 514 and 210, so you can get started right away. The 5.75-pound weight is somewhat hefty, though, and might be too heavy for some users to operate for long periods of time. Enjoy the freedom to paint anywhere without being tethered to a power outlet. The cordless design of the Graco Ultra 17M363 allows for effortless maneuverability, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. Experience superior performance with the patented airless technology that delivers a smooth, even finish every time. Say goodbye to brush marks and roller streaks. The Graco Ultra 17M363 ensures professional results with minimal effort.